King Kong shit, long ding dong shit. Pause. I rinsed off the.
Stop it, nigga. You ain't stomping through no King Kong long ding dong. What you talking about, man? What J4 talking about right now, Chad?
Whole new breed for those that wonder who he think he is. That thunder at night the things. I remember when it was rapping a bar playing.
Yo, who he dissing like that? Yo, J. Cole. Body up in a yo dog. Yo.
Now the bread and butter is yapping and parlaying. Oh man.
Oh, you talking about Joe Budden? Yo, Joe, I don't know why you talking about you like that. You say you're a grown man gossiping, like that's crazy. Yo, Fabulous, he talking about you too, nigga. Like he talking about you. You say y'all niggas on there gossiping, gang.
Your name's a big conversation. Max deals for Luka Doncic, lobbing and hating. Though nowadays you can make a grip commentating if you master two skills, either dick riding or hating. Just look.
What? Wait, hold up.
Your name's a big conversation. Max deals for Luka Doncic, lobbing and hating. Though nowadays you can make a grip commentating if you master two skills, either dick riding or hating. Just look around and hating and the dick riding.
Nah, Fat Joe, he talking to you, gang. Fat Joe, he talking to you, bro. Fat Joe, he talking to you, bro.
It's blatant. Tell mama your ticket to finally lift out of her basement was found in one.
Wait, I know that nigga ain't said no basement now. Hold on now. Yo, hold on, J. Cole. Yo, J. Cole.
Blatant. Tell mama your ticket to finally lift out of her basement was found in one magical word.
Nah, hold on. Let me hear this.
We do word.
Yo, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think J. Cole even dissed me on the record. Nigga, I'll rap and make J. Cole apologize to me. Like, yo, like, that's how really I'm thinking. I'm like, yo, if J. Cole dissed me in a bar, nigga, I'll fire up some bars on him. Nigga, he gonna be apologizing to me at a press conference or his next goddamn Dreamville Fest. Bro, I'm at that nigga copping all type of pleas, bro. I don't think he would diss me. This gotta be at, like, Ruri or Mealy Mall or some shit like this.
And the